Dream of making money while you sleep? In 2025, passive income is more achievable than ever, but forget the tired advice about rental properties or stock dividends. Here are 5 eye-opening, unique ideas that leverage trends and tech to build wealth with minimal ongoing effort. Backed by data, like the 62% of millennials seeking side hustles per a 2024 Bankrate survey, these strategies are designed for today's economy. Let's dive in. 1. AI-powered microcourses. Teach once, earn forever. Online learning is booming. Global e-learning revenue is projected to hit $375 billion by 2026 per Statista. Instead of creating lengthy courses, develop bite-sized AI-enhanced microcourses on niche skills like prompt engineering for AI tools or crypto wallet security. Use platforms like Teachable or Gumroad to host. AI tools such as Descript for video editing or Canva's AI design features streamline production, cutting your workload to a one-time setup. Record 10, 15-minute lessons, package them with AI-generated quizzes, and sell for $20, $50. A course earning $500/month from 25 sales can scale with minimal updates. Promote via X or TikTok for organic reach. Time to start, approximately 20 hours. Potential, $1,000 plus month. 2. Virtual land, leasing the metaverse gold rush. The metaverse isn't just for gamers. Virtual real estate is a $2.4 billion market, per a 2025 CB Insights report. Platforms like Decentraland or The Sandbox let you buy digital plots and lease them to brands or creators for events, shops, or ads. Unlike physical real estate, there's no maintenance or tenants to chase. Invest $500, $2,000 in a plot on a platform like OpenSea. Lease it to businesses for $50, $500 month, depending on location and traffic. Smart contracts automate payments. Time to start, approximately 5 hours. Potential, $200 to $2,000 month. Bonus, virtual land often appreciates, offering resale profits. 3. Automated print-on-demand collectibles. Print-on-demand, POD, isn't just for t-shirts. In 2025, collectors are driving a $1.2 trillion global collectibles market per Allied Market Research. Create unique designs for trading cards, figurines, or enamel pins tied to pop culture or niche fandoms. Think anime or retro gaming. Platforms like Printful or Redbubble handle production and shipping. Design using AI tools like Midjourney for stunning visuals. Upload to pod platforms and market through Etsy or X. A single viral design can sell thousands. $5 profit per item adds up fast. Time to start, approximately 10 hours. Potential, $500 to $5,000 month. 4. Tokenized content royalties. Own a piece of the creator. Economy creators are monetizing content via blockchain-based royalties. Platforms like Royal or Audius let you invest in music, videos, or podcasts, earning a cut of streaming revenue. A 2024 Deloitte report notes 30% of creators now use tokenized assets to fund projects, with investors earning passive payouts. Spend $100, $1,000 to buy fractional ownership in a song or video. Earn royalties when it streams. Some tracks yield 5 to 10% annual returns. Research creators with strong fan bases on X for better bets. Time to start, approximately 3 hours. Potential, $50 to $500 month. Risk, pick projects wisely to avoid duds. 5. AI-driven ad. Microsites, niche traffic cash machines. Microsites targeting hyper-specific audiences like best hiking gear for over 50 tests are low-effort moneymakers. With 4.9 billion internet users in 2025, per Data Reportal, niche sites can attract steady traffic. Use AI tools like Jasper to generate SEO-optimized content and Google AdSense or Ezoic for ad revenue. Build a simple site with WordPress $50 a year. Create 10, 20 AI-assisted articles on a niche topic. Optimize for search and monetize with ads. A site with 10,000 monthly visitors can earn $100 to $1,000 month. Time to start, approximately 15 hours. Potential $200 to $2,000 month. Why these ideas shine in 2025? These strategies tap into 2025's tech-driven economy, from AI advancements to blockchain innovation. They require upfront effort, typically 20 hours, but minimal maintenance once running. For context, a 2024 Morningstar study found passive income streams, averaging $1,000 a month, can grow to $150,000 in 10 years at a 7% return. Ready to escape the 9-to-5 grind? Pick one idea, commit a weekend, and start building your financial freedom. The future of wealth is here. Grab it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.